Here's baby Richie. It is June 2nd. She is almost 7 weeks old. Say hi, baby Richie. She's practicing her kicking and her grabbing. There you go, you get the caterpillar. Good girl. Can you get the cow? Can you get the cow? Where is it? There it is. Good hitting. Yeah. Can you say hi? Hi, baby Richie. Hi. You smile? Will you smile? Richie. Richie. Will you smile for Mama? Hi. Hi. You want to do my single? Yeah. Hi. Hi, pretty girl. Good job. You got the cow. You got him. Good hitting. Yeah. You gonna roll over? Yeah. Good girl. Are you smile for me? See cheese? You want that? You want this toy? What's making that noise? There it is. You want to hold it? You like the cow, don't you? Yeah. Good job, baby Richie. You're going to be such a big girl. Such a big girl. You say smart, say cheese? Richie, look up here. Richie. Look in the mirror. I'm busy, Mama. Good job. What about this? Do you see this? No, just like the cow. Alright. You say bye-bye, baby Richie. Say bye-bye. Hi, there you go.